Before you allow your mechanic to tear down your transmission or your gearbox, you have to watch this video first. In front of me here is something we call the valve body. Here in Nigeria, we call it the brain box of your transmission. This one here, I'm about to service it, and it belongs to ES350, Lexus ES350. 90% of your transmission problems is caused by this valve body. So if you're having shifting problems, no reverse, jumping gears, hard shift, and a lot of things, this valve body is 90% of the time responsible for these problems. Inside this valve body are different kinds of valves and also solenoids. This one consists of 7 solenoids. If any of them is blocked, any of these valves is blocked or solenoid is blocked, it's going to exhibit these problems. So changing your oil may or may not solve this problem. If you have changed your oil and your problem still persists, I suggest you tell your mechanic to service this valve body here. I'm going to show you how I service it. This is the sensor. This is called the speed sensor. Speed sensor. everything is free. Free. It's free. Good. Free. All the valves. I've released all the valves. Can you see? Can you hear? Okay. Okay. So these are all the valves inside the valve body. If any of them is stuck, then you're going to have transmission problem. This one is come and shook. So these are the solenoids from the ES350 valve body, and I'm going to test it using this 12-volt battery. This one is okay. So it's okay. Okay. Oh, okay. 5 is okay. 6 is okay. And then 7. Some is okay. So all of them are okay. If any of them is not okay, you have to change it. It can be the culprit to what is going on in your transmission. So all this solenoid comes with the valve body. That is what together controls the transmission. So I'm going to couple it and then we'll put it back in the transmission. So this is it. I finished servicing the valve body and I'll put it back inside the car and we'll test it. So this is the EOS 350 Lexus. I'm going to put the valve body back and we're going to test it. Okay. I'm going to put the valve body back inside this place.
clutch. Second gear, third gear, fourth gear. Bawang.
Iya, Pak. Ya, siapa nih? Ada Pak, itu Pak. Ada sedikit Pak. Ada satu.
Oh, isi dia. Movement itu ya, Bang. Ya, three. Reverse now walk. You can see I'm going back. Drive now walk. So hard shifting, no reverse, delayed shifting, any kind of shifting problem can come from your valve body. So before you tear down your transmission, try your best to service the valve body first. Simply changing your gear oil might not solve the problem. It might be a stock valve, a stock solenoid, or any kind of valve related issue not coming directly from your engine. You can see I'm speeding up and the transmission is shifting fine now.
So in case after servicing this valve body and your problem still persists, then the problem is from inside your transmission. You can now go ahead and allow your mechanic to tear your transmission down. Thank you for watching. In case you are a DIY person and you love doing things yourself, maybe you should consider subscribing to my channel. Take care.